Because I know you're not my friend, you're something more. You're all my life, that's what I told. And when you are far, far away, there's nothing here that I can say.